Alright, hi everyone, this is Average Dad and welcome to my new tutorial. In this one we're gonna check how you can create your intro in Panzoid, but we're gonna go for the text this time and the particles. So once we get a new project, we're gonna go down in the darkness, yes, as always. Let's add object. Wow, what is this? Oh, it loaded something. Anyway, we want a new project. So, hush, get lost. That's it. So, we go for the darkness, ambient light 0, and we go for object text. So, generally, the beginning, it's gonna just give you its Panzoid with the basic font, what is Bebas. You can choose from quite a few different ones if you want, but if you don't like any of them, or you have your own unique font that you really want to use, you can use it, but it have to be a JSON font. Now, if you download any kind of font, it's going to download it in a TTF, true type format or font, and that's not what we need here. So let's check it downloaded to the download folder. Yeah. So let's extract it in a folder. We're gonna find it. That's, for me, it's this videos folder. Once it's done, we quit, and then you can find here 03.github.io/facetype.gs/site converter. Well, it's in the description, you can find it easily. We're gonna upload the font now, what we downloaded, and once you click on convert, you don't have to click anywhere elsewhere, just on convert. It's gonna download it right away into your download folder. So you can find it in download folder, and it's over there. Ooh, I made it 210, sorry. Anyway, so now you have your own custom made font what you can use. Now it's a beautiful one. Let's make a little change here. We're gonna change the D and the P at the beginning and at the end into different size and different color, like you've seen on in my intro. We're gonna give another text. There it goes, and not in this one, in the Panzoid. So it's gonna be a capital P and a capital D. And we're gonna make it a little bit wider, and of course with this beautiful custom font type what we just downloaded and converted. Okay, it's too much space, just delete one, should be good. Well, the answer, you have to slide a little bit, we reposition it like this. Okay, I don't like the color, and also you can't add the light effect for this color. So like in the previous video, we're gonna change it not single color to a custom one. Still white going to be the color what we're gonna use here. Even here the white I'm choosing, and also the P and D, we're gonna change that for custom color and into white. You can change it to different color if you want. It's just a tutorial. Now we got this. We also talked about the group object in the previous video. You just have to pull everything inside that group and it's gonna work together. Okay, we got the color. Why is it not changed? Oh yeah, because of that. Okay, you know what, let's change black one instead of white. White is not that good, sorry for that. So let's add the light for it. In the previous video I told you how to do that. and it's not in the right position, so light, please come here. Now looks better. Okay, so we change the color again. Sorry for that. I'm gonna get rid of this habit quickly. So now you got the text. In most of the intros, what you can download as a template or use, the name, the text is either shaking or turning around or do a random effect. You can do that easily, just simply rotating it or add any kind of effect. We go for the positioning. Okay, let's just simply rotate it. That's the simplest, and then you can experiment on your during your tryout after this tutorial. So we are at time 0 at the moment. We're gonna go down to time second 3. Maybe we should change the seconds from 6 seconds to 3 seconds because 6 is too long. So not the light. We're gonna twist Panzoid in the middle. So we move the timeline to, let's say, 2.7, and we're going to rotate it 360 degrees during that time. 360. Okay, let's check it. And it's not working. Why not? Okay, so again over there. Yeah, we have to add the keyframe, that plus sign over there. Now it's going to work. Or not. And why not? Yeah, because there's 360 over here. We want it 0. Again. No. So that's 0. We start from 0. Then we go over here, and that's going to add the keyframe. No, now it's gonna work. Or not. Why not? So let's check why is it not working. Because here is 360. I wanted 0. And there I wanted 360. Good. Now it's gonna work now. And it's turning 360. That's good for us. Or maybe the rotation direction is not good enough for you. You can choose a different one. Or it's not gonna be linear. It's gonna be quadric in, quadric out. Or bounce in, bounce out. Let's bounce out. That's gonna change the direction. Wow. Well, it looks fancy. Okay, let's change that P and D at the two very end. If you add your whole name separately, every letter in a different text object, you can rotate them, position them from different sides and different places. That looks more fancy, but it's more work. We go for the simple stuff over here. And we're gonna add the 360 rotation to that keyframe, but in a back out. Should be good. Let's check it. And it's not working because I forgot to add it. P and D. Why is it not going around? Why is it here 360? I don't want it 360 over there. I want it like that. Okay. So, and it's going there and back. Pretty. Okay, now we know how to do fancy stuff. You can experiment. There's lots of things you can do with it. So if you just simply check the rotation, there's lots of different way to bounce it, to twist it, turn it in every direction you want. Okay, you just have to add a bit more timeline keyframes and you're gonna be alright. So next object, particles. Over here. Wow, that looks ugly. Normally it gives you random ones but you can change, like this one. That looks nice. You see that how it looks like. Well, if the direction is not good for you, you can change it completely. Position, not the position. Yeah, the position should be that one. Let's change it to 180. Let's see what happens. Is anything happened? I don't think so. Same way. Anyway, there's a lots of different numbers here, or different option: rotation spread, rotation speed. We just have to check them, all of them. What is it doing? Why is it doing that? For me, this one is alright. It's just like a meteor shower. You can change the radius, to spread, or how is it going? If there is a box mode or sphere mode, or just simply hit on the dices and get a random one every single time. Disc, what is disc? Oh, disc is a flat one. Wow, that looks fancy. Okay. What else? What else should we check? We can simply hit random ones. Sparkles, fancy. Okay, what else we can check? Oh yeah, the camera angle. Well, we know now how to turn and twist the text, the objects. We can do the same thing with the camera position. Let's go just simply around. Okay, we're not going to rotate the camera, we're going to go around. Now we have to do both. So when you move the camera around, the camera is going to look exactly the same direction, same point was been set up at the beginning. So if it sees a pretty dot at a very distance, it's going to look over there, not to the 0.0.0 coordinate. Okay, so you have to be careful with this. So let's go 180 degrees. So we go to that point. That's gonna be the position. We add the keyframe, and we want it to look the different to the other direction, 180. It's going to look this way, and we're going to add that one with it. I said add. Okay. Now let's check what happens. Basically nothing happened. Oh yeah, because it's here again. Damn it, I said 0. And this was the position. Okay, looks better. So goes to the other side. Okay, that's how you can move it around. And that's it for this tutorial. Go for the next one in the next video.